Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy a game in Roblox. So whether you are using a Roblox app or you are using it in browser, so you can follow the process. So first what you have to do, just open your Roblox app or search roblox.com in your browser. Then now here go into search bar and here you have to search for uncopy uncopy logged, okay, in experiences. Okay, now click on it, uncopy logged in experiences. And now here if I want to copy this game, so what I have to do, just click on this game. Okay, now here you will see description, add age guidelines, all these things. So but here you will see a three dot. Okay, just click on this three dot and click on edit in studio. So when you click on edit in studio, if you have downloaded Roblox Studio, it will open in that. If you have not, just click on download studio and then you can copy this game and also play this game. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.